and gentlemen, I'm nearly ready to start my puzzle. Ladies and gentlemen, just wait a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, look at my lovely puzzle.
Yep, are you ready to start?
Yes.
Hit it, brother.
This is just so cool teamwork. I just know how to do this puzzle. Because I'm just showing first time I just showed my mum. My mum, is super mum. Because we are super family. We are very super family. We're just such a super family. It's just super good, fantastic family. We're just fantastic family. We're just fantastic. Mommy, let me show you how to do this puzzle. I'm showing you, Mom.
I'm watching, sweetheart.
Let me see.
How do you know all these big pieces and everything?
I just know.
How? Who taught you?
Taught me.
Your brain taught you?
Yeah.
How many times have you done this puzzle?
I forgot.
But how can you do it so fast?
I just can. Where's that other piece? Here you are. Maybe you already asked what. You asked what you want. I know, Mum. You get what you get and you don't get upset. But in Kindy, we were just joking about this. We get what you get and do get upset. You get what you get and you don't get upset.
I cannot believe you're doing this puzzle so fast, Rahul.
I just can't.
That's unbelievable, bud.
I know.
But that's 50 pieces.
Yeah, I know.
And it's only taken you 2.5 minutes till now.
I know that.
It's pretty good. What's the puzzle about?
The spaceman, see?
Oh, cool. And what else is in the puzzle? What's that big orange thing?
This is the sun.
And the other little round things around it? Are they balls?
No, these are the planets.
Oh, they're the planets.
Silly. They're the planets.
So is that a space scene?
Yeah, it is.
Is the sun in the center?
Yes. Remember, we see it right in the center of the sky. See it right in the center of the sky. Where are you? Fly, moon, where are you? I gotta find it. Just too tricky for me. This is what I'm looking for.
So, Rowley, why are you jumping from one side of the puzzle to the other?
Because I just have to.
You have to. Is that the way you do it?
Yes.
Is that the way you're supposed to do it?
Yes, sometimes.
Oh.
All the time. Sometimes.
Is this puzzle very difficult?
No. It's not difficult for me.
Isn't it?
But it's difficult for everybody else.
Ah. Is it difficult for Dada?
Yeah.
What about Ray Baba?
No. Very.
Very.
Very 100 miles away.
Oh, 100 miles away.
Yes.
Oh my God, your time's running out. 5.5 minutes.
Get it action. Running out. Everybody quick, we can do this by ourselves. Lightning, can't we? See how fast I'm going, Flash. See how fast I do it. We can do it, Speech Cow, we can do it.
My God. That's unbelievable. That, my friend, is truly... You did it! Take a bow. Wow, Rowley, you did this puzzle in 5.5 minutes. Oh my God, look at that. Neptune, Venus, the sun. Which is your favorite part of the puzzle? Go and show me on the puzzle. Point on the